blueprint of our lives, which is Jesus Christ. And this song is so magical because I wrote this song with my friends 2016, and a song that happened to be a love song for someone. When I got to meet the Lord and really know Him, this love song for someone became God's love song to me. And I pray that this song speaks to you. Na kahit anong mangyari, like I always say, sa buhay na maraming pasikot-sikot at lubak, palagi kang may kasama sa biyahe mo.
Ipikit mo yung mga